This video will demonstrate how to properly calibrate the flow rate and hopper motor speed on the FMD dispenser. The beverage solenoid is preset to dispense approximately 1 ounce per second. This amount can be adjusted. Note, the strength of the individual powder product can be adjusted by changing the hopper motor speed. Disconnect the dispenser from the power source. Open the cabinet door. Turn the hopper elbows upwards. Remove the hopper assembly from the cabinet. Remove the auger motor mounting panel. Rotate the control at the base of the solenoid clockwise to decrease or counterclockwise to increase the amount of water. Repeat 10-second flow procedure until equal or within plus or minus 5% of factory setting. Place hopper back into the dispenser. Turn hopper elbow downwards. Close the cabinet door. The hopper dispense rate is preset at the factory. With 22 tooth gear and auger wire, the preset dispense rate is approximately 3 to 5 grams per second. With 32 tooth gear and auger wire, the preset dispense rate is approximately 5 to 7 grams per second. The hopper dispense rate can be adjusted to a range of dispense rates from approximately 1.5 to 12 grams per second. Place the rinse-run switch in the center program position. Place the increase-decrease switch in the desired position. Press and release the dispense switch for the chamber you wish to adjust. Each time the dispense switch is pressed, the rinse LED will flash and the motor speed for that hopper will be increased or decreased by approximately 2.5%. Return the rinse-run switch to the run position after hopper motor speed adjustments are complete.